The idea here is to understand not just direction, but acceleration, because a stock can be going up, but that doesn't mean the move is getting stronger. There are two main ways to look at this. First, using price slope across different time frames. Let's set up the slope filters. We'll use the 1-day, 20-day, and 60-day slope. For the current day, I'll set the 20-day slope to be strongly positive, around plus 10%. Then for the 20-day point, I'll extend it a bit further, around 40 days, and set it to be positive as well, at least plus 5%. And for the 60-day point, I'll set the slope to be clearly negative, around minus 10%. Now I'll just apply the filter using the same column set. Looking at the results, we're working with three key columns here. Current slope, what's happening now, 20 days ago, recent trend, and 60 days ago, longer-term trend. Let's take AMPX as an example. 60 days ago, the trend was clearly negative, around minus 151%, then 20 days ago it turned positive, around plus 154%, and now the current slope is extremely strong, we're plus 1,000%, so this is a clean V-shaped recovery, from a downtrend into strong upside acceleration. This is exactly the type of setup I'm trying to find with slope analysis. I'll cover the second setup in the next video. Stay tuned. That's it for today's market update. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or sign up to our research, and don't forget to do your own research.